Lesson 10. Hey, thank you for always watching my videos. I appreciate you deeply. Alright, it's lesson 10. We've learned this is a smartphone and is this a smartphone? By the way, did you understand これ、それ、あれ? If you don't know about them, please check the lesson 8. Alright, we're going to learn how to say my car in this lesson. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and please subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. あれは車ですか?あれは車です。He wants to say, that is my car. By the way, do you know them? In English, we have to change I to my, he to his, she to her. But in Japanese, it's really easy. So just put no. My car. 私の車 His car 彼の車 This is my car あれは私の車です Is that her car? In Japanese?「あれは彼女の車ですか?」Her name is Lisa, so Lisa's car. So just put no. あれはリサの車ですか?あれはリサの車ですか?わかりません。すみません Is that your car in Japanese? それはあなたの車ですか? No, it's not my car in Japanese. いいえ、これは私の車ではありません。So, we don't say it, only say これ、それ、あれ I've never seen this machine. What is this? Alright, we've learned how to say that is my car. So, just put no. It's really easy to memorize, isn't it? Okay, we're going to learn how to say what is this in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.